Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to study abroad with International Studies Abroad detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the login process for study abroad with International Studies Abroad, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official website URL for International Studies Abroad. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page has loaded, look for the login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to access the login page. On the login page, you will be prompted to enter your username. Type in your username associated with your account. Next, you will need to enter your password in the designated field below your username. Make sure to double-check your password for any errors. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email you used to register. Once your username and password are entered correctly, click on the Submit or Login button. Wait a moment as the website processes your credentials. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your personal dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password before trying again. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the available resources for studying abroad and ensure your profile is up to date. If you experience any issues during the login process, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Now, you are ready to utilize the resources available for your study abroad journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.